Young King attack again in a J Prince. I represent for one of the roughest and the toughest and the baddest thing. Them will review tune and video. Jamaica worst gamer. Review this for them, no man.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Move! Today we are with Khago. Yeah, man. Khago! Bumbleclad. Bad artist. Bad bumbleclad artist. Talented artist. Bad artist. You know, Khago thing girl, man. Khago thing them, man. Isn't it? With no loyalty. Yes, Khago, no loyalty. Yes, Global Beat Studio. Make up yourself. Jump in the one and here where the Sky God office. Say man, let's go, man. Let's go.
Yeah,
let's go.
Your friend name mama. Believe me, God, yeah.
Burn them.
Them no want see we reach now. I just show them no reach now. Get them no real from morning. We tell them from morning we not sell out. Khago, it's a loyal, get up a port royal. None of them boy are not real, them no normal.
Pull up, yo, pull up. Let's go again.
Yo, Khago want them artists. We just find song like that. We just find song out of nowhere. Khago is that guy, bro. I swear to God.
Yeah, Sky God. Your friend name mama. Believe me, God, yeah.
Let me know if you want one heap of Khago reaction right now. Enough song that you have, I'm gonna react to. Let me know if you want one heap of Khago reaction. Ready. Yo, who dead over Port Royal? Mr. Loyal, blood clot. Oh yeah.
Yeah, Sky God.
Oh yeah.
Your friend name mama.
Big up yourself, Sky God.
Believe me, God.
Big up yourself, my fam. Big up yourself, man. Yeah, man, let's go.
Them no want see we reach now.
No.
I just show them no reach now. Get them no real from morning. We tell them from morning we not sell out.
Them no want you reach nowhere because them no reach nowhere. So you see, as soon as you and certain people up on the same level, you and them good. You see, when they go somewhere and start elevate, them not like you. Them want to bring it back down to them. So them not like you because them not reach nowhere, them no want you reach nowhere. You forget that in your blood class, what about in there? What the next one? Okay, man, that's all. Let's go!
Yeah, Sky God.
Talk to them, Khago. Talk to them, Sky God.
Believe me, God, yeah.
Why?
Them no want see we reach now.
Why?
I just show them no reach now. Get them no real from morning. We tell them from
morning.
morning we not sell out.
Why?
It's a loyal, get up a port royal. None of them boy are not real, them no normal. The friend we set you up for your friend, them rob you for the markets money, you not see them no normal.
Then we set you up for them friend rob you for the markets money. Them not loyal. Then we set you up. Then we set up your life. Set up your family life. Set up your life. All because of some money. When them get the money, them going to drink it out in a rum and boom. I'm probably buy a couple strap. I saw them stay. Bad mind.
The friend we set you up for your friend, them rob you for the markets money, you not see them no normal.
Right.
Remember your 5 series. Your friend them a carry feelings.
You see, sometimes it's good to make your moves in silent. Make your moves in silent. You go so boom now and drop a nice 5 series. BMW that is. How you gonna tell your friend them about it? Thinks your friend them are go happy for you just like how you're happy for them. No, never you do that.
The friend we set you up for your friend, them rob you for the markets money, you not see them no normal. Remember your 5 series. Your friend them a carry feelings. You make a fly go at that. You want you be that. Your fake friend them a say your face I go feel that.
You make a fly go Canada, you make a fly go T that, you and you be that. Your friend them a say you go feel that. Feel what? The only thing me I go blood clot feel at the cold in Canada. Suck on yourself. Run it again.
Yeah, Sky God.
Bad song.
Your friend name mama.
One song bad.
Believe me, God,
Yeah. Why?
Them no want see we reach now. I just show them no reach now. Get them no real from morning. We tell them.
I'm telling this too. 80% of dancehall afraid of Khago. 80% of dancehall afraid of Khago. No joke.
Show them no reach now.
No joke.
Get them no real from morning. We tell them from morning.
This
we
mad.
not sell out. Khago, it's a Mankind no want no love. No loyalty, no win it. No
Loyalty, no win it.
When no friends, them a pray you dead. See them for your name, you daily. Young them no want you fi clean, you fi dirty. Sky God.
Them no want you tap out clean. Them no want you look buzzle. Them want you come out dirty, look pop down. Look like the worst of the worst. And that them happy with. Suck yourself. What on?
Because me tell them already about loyalty. It will let them a worry about royalty. A 3-card man them like Anansi.
I'm telling you already about loyalty. The one of them are worried about royalty. What not worry about royalty for? What I'm telling you? He loyal. He loyal.
It will let them a worry about
Royalty.
A 3-card man them like Anansi.
Yeah, fuck them tricky. 3-card man. Tricky. Them tricky. Anansi, better Nancy and Tukuma. Go and listen to them story there. That them tricky fight.
It will let them a worry about royalty. A 3-card man them like Anansi. You know your friend upgrade to enemy. Dealer.
Your friend upgrade from friend to enemy. Them upgrade. Them upgrade. All because of all them are going, them movement, them dirty heart, them dirty mind.
Man them like Anansi. You know your friend upgrade to enemy. Dealer. You shouldn't tell them your secret, yeah. And them alone can leak it, yeah. So now you violate.
Them say, well, your right hand know, no make your left know, and them alone can leak your secret. Remember, you know? Remember, Bobby, don't tell me no dog.
Shouldn't tell them your secret, yeah. And them alone can leak it, yeah. So now you violate the G, yeah. Rails to the prayer. I'm a dead man and a God.
Ah!
People enough is just. Mankind no want no love. No loyalty, no win it.
No loyalty, no win it.
When your friends, them a pray you dead. See them for your name, you daily. Young them no want you fi clean, you fi dirty. Because the marks so weak. You we not just people because the one that make closest to you why you don't fight.
Yeah, man.
Even the girl where you sleep with, we sell you out there with one phone call.
True.
Can you already say I swallow me roll, yeah?
The girl where you sleep with and things say, yo, she love you to the end. Yes, she love you to the end. Yes, she love you to the end because she wants to the end of your life. Some of them girls are wicked. Some of them girls are wicked and we double cross you, double time you. No joke. Who there with me? Me alone. People enough with yours.
Mankind no want no love. No loyalty, no win it.
No loyalty, no win it.
When no friends, them a pray you dead. See them for your name, you daily. Young them no want you fi clean, you fi dirty. Because the marks so weak.
Oh,
People enough with yours. Mankind no want no love. No loyalty, no win it. No loyalty, no win it. You when no friends, them a pray you deadly. See them for your name, you daily. Young them no want you fi clean, you fi dirty. Because the marks so weak.
Buckler, big up Sky God in a man. Big up his Sky God. Big up his Sky God. You wanna say? Blood clot. Comment section. Tell me what you think about that one, dog. If a true Khago attack, I know a true him attack. I know a true him attack. Cause some of them thinking what I'm saying in the song, me see it happen to me. It happen to people around me. It happen to people I know. Them sell it out for less than nothing, brother. Them will sell it out for nothing, for zero. Some people just get up and just don't like it for nothing at all. Some people just get up on double class for nothing at all. I don't know why, like, why some people stay so? Big up all that people, them know say, yo, them have loyalty to them. Them loyal to the person who loyal to them. Big up on yourself. Yeah, you're not double class nobody or snitch for nobody neither. Big up yourself. Yes, Khago G, big up yourself also, my fam. Yes, big up the production team with that one. What the production team? I'm going on the right, big up. Yes. Global Beat Studio. Yes, produced by Huey. Huey, big up yourself. Huey, you big up yourself. Big up yourself, big up yourself. Yes. Ricardo, big up yourself as well, my G. Alright? But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one. And I'll catch you guys in the comment section. Big up yourself, Sky God. Outside. Yes, man.
Right now, I want $1 million US. Even some advice to the real artist progress I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The maddest and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real artist represent.